Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 625 West Nickerson Street. This is a updated video at March 2nd, 2021. This is work we are done. Bob Oates is done lining this and doing repairs for now, or on the project at this point. So, Seattle City Main there, coming back from the City Main. We go directly into 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner. So we come back through this cure-in-place pipe liner. This was originally old clay pipe. It's now been lined. So we installed liner down to the main from our excavation at the sidewalk. We are now coming into the PVC repair that was part of the excavation in down near the sidewalk as part of the repair of this line. So coming from the sidewalk excavation repair back into liner that went upstream from there. That liner goes upstream. Small gap to allow a tie-in to continue to function. There's a tie-in down there near the parking garage. So that's small gap to allow that to continue to function, then back into liner, and then back into the PVC. So this lip directly into the PVC that's running along the side of the building. Small section of crushed PVC here. We're looking at replacing this as well. There's some sections where it was crushed. We're coming back through there further. This is PVC. PVC, we're getting up to along the side of the laundry room now. Along the side of the building up here by the laundry room. Back into liner again. So 6-inch diameter liner we installed. Back into PVC again here. And then we should come straight back through PVC the rest of the way as it's all replaced piping. And we come up out of the clean out installed here. So there's the clean out installed as part of the project. And the video there.